It was the middle of the day. He looked out his window. He saw his lawn. The grass looked long. He decided to mow the lawn. He stepped into his garage. His mower was in there. He got his lawnmower. He turned it on. It started moving. The engine made a loud noise. The engine sputtered and stopped. He got off his lawnmower. He inspected the engine. It had broken. He took it back inside the garage. He opened his toolbox. He repaired his lawnmower. He turned it on again. It was working. He mowed his lawn. It took him half an hour to finish. He took his lawnmower back inside. He went back into his house. He looked out the window. The lawn looked nice. He loved his lawn.